It's a 2017 Honda Accord Coupe. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look, and it's easy to see why. Drive it, and you'll know why. It comes with great features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Front heated leather bucket seats. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Wireless phone connectivity. Dual zone climate control. Automatic transmission. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Gas pressurized shocks. And V6 engine. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. Call us today at 561-508-9936.